Charts. QST Lite offers advanced HTML5 chart functionalities. The Charts module is split up into two main areas. The toolbar, where you can select different configurations for your chart, and the main chart area, where the actual chart is painted. The toolbar allows you to set the following items. The contract. You can either use the advanced search function or simply type in the symbol. The resolution. To select the chart resolution, bring your cursor over this icon and select one of the available values. For tick and intraday, you can select one of the predefined values. Once you select it, you can actually manually adjust the range. Zooming in and out. You can select these two buttons to zoom in and out on the time scale. Chart type. You can select one of four available chart types: bars, candles, line, and area. Indicators. To apply indicators to the chart, simply click on this button. This will bring up the available indicators dialog. You can now search for indicators and just check the ones that you want to apply. If you want to change the parameters for a certain indicator, simply expand the section and type in your custom values. Once you're ready, click Apply. The indicators will be immediately applied. Themes. To switch between different chart themes, click on the last button on the toolbar. This will bring up the theme selection dialog. You can select one of four available themes, seeing a preview for each of them. Once you have chosen one, click Apply. The chart area. The main chart area will always be in sync with the configuration you selected from the toolbar. You can see the timestamp for the latest update here in the upper left corner. For manipulating the chart, you can use the following mouse gestures. Scrolling over the horizontal time area. This will zoom in and out on the time range. Scrolling over the vertical price area. This will zoom in and out on the price range. Scrolling over the middle area will zoom in on both the time and price. To restore to the default view, simply double-click the chart. Moving your cursor over a bar or chart element will display a tooltip and a crosshair with the details of that particular bar. Moving your cursor over the vertical dotted bar here on the right will allow you to place orders directly from the chart. A horizontal crosshair line will be visible to guide you, and also a custom tooltip will follow your mouse position. Remember, left click to buy, right click to sell. Last but not least, chart tools. In order to apply some chart tools, you can simply right click on the chart and select chart tools from the radial menu. You will now see a bar with the available tools and tooltips to guide you. Simply click on the tool that you want to use and use the mouse to apply it on the chart. You can select and drag the added tools and to manipulate them. If you want to delete the tool, right click again, select Erase, and now select the tool that you want to delete.